I can't breathe. Help! Okay, you guys, that is how this recipe has got me on a choke hold. Look at my hair. Look at my hair. Look at that fluff, that fullness, and the bounce. I am about to put you guys on the real game. So come with me because I'm going to be trying Cardi B's viral hair mask. Yes, we are trying that today. We are trying Cardi B's viral mask. So let's get straight into the video. Everything is self-explanatory. I use bananas, I use avocado, and I use some mayonnaise, and the container you see to the far left is sunflower oil. So this is honey too. I put I think I put 3 to 4 tablespoons of full of honey, and I went in with my sunflower oil. Basically, I'm going to put the original recipe, but I just had to improvise with some of the ingredients because I didn't have some of them, the ones that she used in her mixture. So this is me just getting ready to do my mixture. I also added some black castor oil and some rosemary, tea tree oil and rosemary oil. This is to help with the moisture and oil and the protein and all of that. So I parted my hair. You know, we always have to work in sections. And I'm not gonna lie, y'all, this thing stank. It stank. Not that bad, but it was just good enough, you know. It stank enough for me to be able to wash it out. So this is me. I'm just applying the product on my hair from the tips to the roots and from the roots to the tips, just working it in the hair, massaging it in the hair, and making sure it gets really good into the hair. Before this, as you can see from the start of the video, my hair was really dry, like really dry. It was crying, desert dry, crying for some moisture. And this recipe really helped me restore some moisture in my hair. And I'm really glad I tried it because my hair had been so dry for so many weeks, and I really needed something that was going to help with moisturizing. I have low porosity hair. Oop, see, you have to pray for my carpet. My carpet after this was a mess. When I talk about a mess, it was, I dripped all this product all over on the carpet, on the floor. So what was I saying? Yeah, I have low porosity hair, and I also have and so it doesn't take moisture in very well, and it doesn't retain moisture that much. So I always have to find something to make it moisturized and to just help it maintain the moisture. So after I was done, I just massaged the product into all of my hair like you're seeing in this video. Oh, I can't talk. No, I can talk. Like you're seeing in this video. After this, I wrapped it up in a bun. I put it in a cap, just like Cardi B did. Let it sit. I think I was supposed to let it sit for like 30 minutes or 45 minutes to an hour, but I think I let it sit for close to 2-3 hours because I was busy. I was walking around the house doing stuff that I had. Yeah, so I just had to let it sit. I put it at 11 and this is 3:24, and we just had to go to the salon, get it washed and cleaned up. This is it after like 3 hours, and I'm just into the salon. So here I'm just washing out the product. Usually I use Cream of Nature shampoo and conditioner, but I think I ran out of it, so I just use Miracle. I'm just gonna put it in the comment section. No, not in the comment section, in the description box. So I had to wash out the product and then go in with the shampoo, wash it out, and go in with my conditioner and wash it out. I had to wash my hair. This is the biotin and collagen shampoo. You have to wash your hair. You have to wash your hair, like rinse all of the product out first. I think I rinsed my hair like 4 to 5 times to get all of that dirt out before putting it residue from the avocado and eggs. And please, you have to rinse your hair with cold water, because if you use hot water, you're gonna cook that egg on your hair, and you don't want that. You don't want to fry an egg on your hair. So you need to use cold water to wash out the product. This is after I had washed it out. Sorry, my camera was a little fluid here and I never knew. But I hope you can see how my hair looks after washing out the products and the shampoo and the conditioner. I'll put all the products in the description box below. And this is just me looking at figuring out what I'm gonna do. This is me after a week of the wash and go. This is my hair after a week. If you hear any noise in the background, please just forgive me. I have kids, so this is my hair after about a week of the wash and go. So this is my hair after close to a week, and I'm going to be showing you my hair within the week. This was the very next day after the wash. This was like 2 days after the wash. You see, I styled my hair in so many different ways. This, yeah, it was very pretty. This was like, yeah. So all of these are just hairstyles that I did throughout the week with my wash and go. How the wash and go held up. I never put any product on my hair after that. I think I just put some oil on my hair and that was it. I didn't put anything else. I hope you all liked the video. Please subscribe to my channel, leave comments, and I'll answer all your questions. Thank you for watching. Bye.